AI is evolving. OpenAI just announced its new text to video AI model Sora. Sora can generate videos based on text prompts. You just put in some text and within few minutes an AI generated video pops up. Sora doesn't just mimic, it taps into a boundless well of untamed creativity, generating visuals you never dared dream of. The possibilities are spellbinding. Filmmakers can now craft groundbreaking visuals, marketers can brew immersive ads, even educators can cast spells of knowledge with interactive lessons. Of course, with great powers come great responsibility. Some fear this digital sorcerer might blur the lines between reality and fiction, or even view tales of misinformation. But OpenAI assured to take care of this and hence provided limited access to operate Sora for now. But one thing for sure, Sora is a game changer. It's a glimpse into a future where AI and human creativity can collaborate to create truly extraordinary things. So yeah, they have just now announced this model and we don't know much about it, but it's awesome. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments below and I'll meet you guys in the next one.